Algae classification. Algae classified into three classes based on presence of pigments and storage of food and cell wall composition. The first class is Chlorophyceae. Second one, Phaeophyceae. Third one, Rhodophyceae. This classification based on presence of pigments and storage food and cell wall composition. Chlorophyceae. Chlorophyceae commonly called as green algae. The algae is grass green due to the presence of chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Chlorophyceae consists of colonial forms, unicellular forms, and filamentous forms. Example for colonial form is Olvax. Example for unicellular algae is Chlamydomonas. And example for filamentous algae is Cara. Next, the cell wall. The cell wall of algae, green algae is rigid, made up of cellulose and pectin. Inner layer made up of cellulose, outer wall of green algae made up of pectose. Storage food in green algae is pyrenoids. Pyrenoids contain protein besides starch. Pyrenoids present in chloroplast. Next, reproduction. In Chlorophyceae, vegetative reproduction is present, asexual reproduction is present, and sexual reproduction is present. Vegetative reproduction by fragmentation of thallus, asexual reproduction by the formation of zoospores. Zoospores are asexual spores which are produced inside the zoosporangia. Zoospores are motile. Zoospores consists of 2 to 8 flagella. The flagella is equal in length. Sexual reproduction may be isogamous, anisogamous, or oogamous. Some common found green algae are Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas is unicellular. Olvax is colonial form. Ulothrix, Spirogyra, Cara. Phaeophyceae. Phaeophyceae, also known as brown algae. Most of the brown algae is marine. Phaeophyceae consists of Chlorophyllae, Chlorophyceae, carotenoids, and xanthophytes. Brown algae are found in marine habitats. So brown algae is simple branched, filamentous. Example is ectocarpus, and a massive trees. Example is kelps. So they grow up to 100 meters. Depending upon the amount of xanthophyll pigment, that is fucoxanthin, Phaeophyceae vary in color from olive green to various shades of brown. The cell wall of brown algae made up of cellulose, and it is coated with algae. The storage food in the form of laminarin or mannitol. Laminarin or mannitol complex carbohydrates. Cell wall of brown algae made up of cellulose, and cell wall is covered with a gelatin coating called algae. Brown algae plant body consists of three parts: hold fast, stipe, and frond. Plant body attached to the substratum by hold fast. Stipe is a stalk. Frond is a leaf-like photosynthetic organ. In brown algae, vegetative reproduction present, asexual reproduction is present, and sexual reproduction is present. So vegetative reproduction by fragmentation, asexual reproduction by zoospores, Zoospores are biflagellate. The flagella is unequal in length and laterally attached. The zoospores are pear-shaped. And sexual reproduction by the gametes. Gametes are motile and pear-shaped. Sexual reproduction may be oogamous, anisogamous, or isogamous. Sexual reproduction in brown algae may be isogamous, anisogamous, or oogamous. The common example for brown algae is Laminaria, Fucus, Dictyota. The brown algae body divided into three parts: hold fast, stipe, and front. Hold fast used for attachment of algae to substratum. Stipe is a stalk and front is photosynthetic leaf-like part. Fucus front consists of air bladders and midrib. Next class, Rhodophyceae. Rhodophyceae is a red algae. The best example for red algae, Polysyphonia and Porifera. Red algae consists of chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D, and red pigment phycoerythrin. So most of the red algae is marine. They are present at warm areas. So red algae found at surface of the water, deep inside the water. Cell wall of red algae made up of cellulose, pectin, and polysulfate esters. Majority of red algae is marine, found in warmer areas. So red algae is close to the surface of water, as well as they are present at great depth in oceans. The storage food is Floridian starch. Floridian starch similar to amylopectin and glycogen. Reproduction. So vegetative reproduction by fragmentation, asexual reproduction by non-motile spores, and sexual reproduction by non-motile gametes. Sexual reproduction is oogamous type. Algae classification based on mainly presence of pigments. Algae classified into three types: Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae, and Rhodophyceae. Thank you.